copy one video from here, paste it here, and earn money. And I will be giving you a bonus way of how you can even double or triple making this money. Hello, welcome to Online Money. In this video, I will be showing you how to copy and paste videos with a website similar to YouTube. Alright? Literally, you don't have to know nothing about videos. You're not gonna make none. Alright, you're gonna copy it from here, paste it here, and earn money. Just as how you upload videos on YouTube and you earn ad revenue, you're gonna do the same exact thing here and it will be earning you a lot of money. Alright, and stick around to the end because I will be throwing in a bonus method of how you can double or triple your earnings. Alright, before I jump into the video, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I'm at 84 subscribers now and I'm so thankful and I'm gracious. Alright, so thank you guys, and for those who haven't subscribed as yet, please do. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers on this video and 4,000 watch hours. I don't know if you can make it possible, but I'm giving you value. Alright, so please subscribe for me and let's jump into the video. So what I want you to do, first thing first, is come to YouTube. I'm going to be using fitness videos. Alright, so if you want to use money making, funny videos, educational, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be using fitness videos. And remember, we're not going to be putting these videos on YouTube. Alright, but we're taking it from YouTube. So when you go to fitness, you're gonna filter by Creative Commons. Whenever the Creative Commons videos come up and you find the one that you're most comfortable with, what I would want you to do is download the video. I know there's a lot of different ways how you can download a YouTube video, but I got a simple hack which I like to use. Alright, it's safe and you won't have any problem. So you will come here to YouTube. Right before YouTube, you will type PP, then you press enter. Alright, when you press enter, it's going to bring you to this website, Y2Mate. Alright, so right here, as you can see, you can download the YouTube video in different resolution. So if you choose to download 1080 or 720, you can download at whatsoever you prefer. I normally download at the highest resolution because I want the highest quality. You don't have to pay these ads any mind. They won't affect you. Just don't click on them. You can click them off if you want. So after downloading, I want you to come to this website called Rumble. Alright, here is where you're gonna make all the money. This website is similar to YouTube and you can say it's a fairly new website. Alright, so you come to Rumble and you're gonna sign up. You can sign up using your Facebook, your Google, or even your Apple account. Alright, or you can come here, you can sign up by typing in your name, password, email, and your country. Alright, then right here you're gonna choose the username. You're gonna re-enter your password, re-enter your email. Alright, here they got some different things to fill out. You don't necessarily have to. Alright, here they're showing you can choose in what method you want to sign up for, but just use the free account. You will sign up here, and as you can see, subscribe, upload, monetize. Monetize meaning you can make money. Alright, so please remember to subscribe. I want 100 subscribers on this video if it's possible. Alright, So please subscribe, give me 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Comment and tell me what you also think of this video. Alright, so when you sign up and you have an account with Rumble, the video that you downloaded from YouTube, you're gonna come to Rumble and you're gonna upload the video with a nice title and thumbnail. Alright, you're gonna put in your description a link in which you can make money from. Alright, so you're gonna come to this website called Digistore24. You're gonna register for free, then you're gonna go to their marketplace. Digistore is an online market platform which they are booming and persons are making millions from Digistore. I made a review video on Digistore, so if you want to watch it, you can search and you will find it. Alright, so right here what you're gonna do, you're gonna search for fitness. So right here, as you can see, fitness and health. So you're gonna promote this product. You're gonna promote this product on Rumble so you can earn more money differently from monetizing on Rumble. Alright, so you're gonna come here. As you can see, smart blood sugar. If you look, you can see 80% commission. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna press promote. Remember, you have to sign up first. You're gonna press promote. They're gonna generate a link for you. The link will be long and ugly, so you can go to a website called Bentley. Bentley is a website that shorten URL for you. So you're gonna take the link from Digistore24. You're gonna come to Bentley. You're gonna post the link right here. Alright, you're gonna post the link right here. You're gonna press shorten. You're gonna have a nice shortened link. The video that you're going to upload that you took from YouTube, alright, you're gonna upload the video here. In your description, you're gonna put the link of the product you're promoting. Alright, so you can go to Digistore, the product you're promoting, you can look what the name is, you can write the name, put it in your description with the link on Rumble. Persons will be watching the videos and they will be interested in fitness. All right, so once they're interested in fitness videos, that means basically they will be interested in knowing how to stay fit, right? So with your link, if they press your link and they purchase through your link, you will be earning 80% commission. Alright, so this is simple and easy. Alright, so this is Rumble and this is YouTube. You download the video from YouTube, you add it to Rumble, you put a link in your description on Rumble, and it will be making you passive income. Alright, it's really simple and easy. I'm encouraging everyone that is watching this video to try. Alright, and if it's that you can't find the time to do this for yourself, you can come to this website called Fiverr. Alright, I talk about Fiverr regularly because Fiverr is one of the best platforms in which you can make money from. So you will come to Fiverr, you will search for freelancer. This is one of my Fiverr gig. Alright, don't watch my Fiverr gig. I'm just trying and I got no orders as yet. But what you will basically do, these persons on Fiverr, they're the best. Alright, I'm even trying it myself because you can make money from here in a lot of different ways, and persons here can help you to make money also. I will be leaving the link in my description if you want to check out Fiverr. Alright, so you will come to Fiverr, you will search for freelancer, and you will ask the freelancer to do everything I necessarily told you in the video just now. You can find freelancer for as low as $5. Alright? So you will search for freelancer and you will ask them to do necessarily whatever you want, and they will have it done, and it will be earning you passive income. Alright, so you can have more than one Rumble account that you put different videos on. Alright, so remember, try this out. Don't just watch the video without taking action. Alright, it is so easy. Please now subscribe, give me 1,000 subscriber, and thank you very much. Thank you again to all of who have subscribed to my channel, and this was so easy. Try it out. Literally. Hello, welcome to Online Money. In this video, all right. Oh boy, I will be showing you how to make money. In this video, I will be showing you how to copy and paste videos and earn money. All right, literally. All right. Oh boy.